Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna take you with me to my favorite place and I'm gonna show you the top 10 beauty products that I always use. So yeah, stay tuned. Just surprise here. Now my best eyebrow gel is from Maybelline. Let me show it to you. Which one is this one? It's my best product I always use. And the second product is foundation from Maybelline. This is full coverage foundation. I love it. And the third product is concealer from Maybelline. It's full coverage. I like it. And here I have the fourth product is from L'Oreal. It's the mascara Lash Paradise. It's the best one. And here I have the loosing powder. It's my favorite. And now I'm gonna go to NYX. Here I have the eyeliner. It's the best eyeliner I always use. And they have many good products like the eyeshadow palette and eyebrows gel, eyebrows pen, lipstick. I love their matte lipstick. They're so good. They stay long. They last long. And in the same section, NYX, we have the setting spray. I really love it. It's like the Benefit setting spray. I like it. Here with the two Eco Tools. I like their brushes. They're so good, so soft. I like this set. Let's go to ELF. Here we have the concealer. I like their concealer. Stay long and it's not greasy. It's close to tart concealer. I really like it. And they have many good products also. I like their contouring palette right here. Now I'm gonna take you to Milani. Milani, they have the best primer for eyeshadow. I love it. Here, this is the best primer for eyeshadow. It's the best eye primer. I really like it. I always use it. And they have the foundation also good. I like it. I'm gonna go to L'Oreal. L'Oreal, they have the best foundation. It's L'Oreal foundation. I like it. And Infallible Pro Matte lipstick. Now we're going to Neutrogena. I like their primer. It's called Correct Primer. I always use it. So good. They have many products that I use. It's like the foundation and concealer right here. And now I'm all set. I hope you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and like the video. Tell me in the comment below which product do you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.